Here's a piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's got a nice little colour bar here, you can see, showing up quite well. Possibly goes right through. See it over this side. Nothing much up this end, a little bit of colour, but I don't think that's the same bar. There's another little seam of colour on the bottom. It's on quite dark material. If that cuts into a stone, it would be quite a nice big stone. Might have to make a couple out of it because it is a bit undulating there, see? Curves. Anyway, gives you an idea. Hope you enjoyed.